Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about why you should be collecting credit card payments instead of cash payments. Now, most cleaning businesses, when they're getting started, especially in the beginning, a lot of them are collecting cash payments or checks. And usually the checks are made out to the owner's name, where they will go to the bank and then they can cash it out for cash. But if your business is growing and you are still collecting cash, there's a lot of benefits for your business if you take your clients from cash payments to online credit card payments. And here's 3 reasons why. Reason number 1, it's easier for you to keep track of. When you're getting paid in cash or checks and you're getting a bunch of them at the same time, it's just a lot for you to keep track of. I remember in our business when we were really growing and we started receiving all these cash payments, check payments, and very quickly things started getting out of control. It started getting disorganized. Sometimes we went to a house and a client had forgotten to leave a payment for us, and then I had to remember later on to get contact with that client about the payment, and then knowing that there's a payment that is supposed to be coming in from that client, so I'll probably get it the next time we come out to clean their house. Or if there was an issue with a check and then we have the check and we go to the bank and then we try to deposit or cash it and it wasn't working because of some type of issue that the client wrote on the check. But once we switched to online payments, credit card payments online, things were so much easier. We're on top of every single payment that we receive, and we have tons of clients, so we get to keep track of every single one of those payments because it's all done online. Now, the company that we use to track our payments and to even collect payments online is Jobber, and they're the sponsor of this video. We've been using Jobber for a while now, and we absolutely love it. It's one of the best investments that we have made in our business, and it really helps us organize and keep track of all of our payments. Every time we receive a payment, I get a notification, payment has been made. Since it's all going through Jobber, it actually gets integrated into QuickBooks as well. So that makes our lives much easier when it comes to our finances and accounting, that we get to keep track of all these payments that are coming in, all the revenue and all of our expenses, all perfectly put together because of the software that Jobber provides. And they have different packages for different sizes of businesses. So if you're just getting started or you've been a business for a while now, Jobber has what you're looking for, and you can check that out. I put the link in the description for you to go there. They're doing a promotion right now, so go quickly and don't miss out on that. So if you want to run your business more organized, more efficiently, and provide your clients with phenomenal customer service with technology that they will appreciate, do you and your business a favor and get on Jobber. So because of online payments, our business has gotten a lot more organized because I can keep track of all the payments that are coming in, all the clients that haven't paid, and every client that's going to be paid. It's all there on the dashboard for me to look at. Now, reason number 2, your clients will appreciate it. One of the biggest surprises I had when I switched over to Jobber and started collecting online payments was that my clients actually emailed me and said, "Oh my God, this is awesome. I love the fact that I can pay you online with credit card and I don't have to keep writing checks and I don't keep having to leave cash out." They appreciate it because their lives are busy. And one of the biggest reasons why a lot of these families hire a cleaning service like us is to make their lives easier. So why don't we go a step further and make their lives even easier with online payments? And in the beginning, I'm like, how many of our clients are actually going to want to pay online? And it turns out the vast majority of them want to pay online. They leave their credit card on file, and it makes it so much easier for us and for them. So they really appreciate that. Turns out that most people like technology and they want to use technology to make their lives easier. And that's why your clients will enjoy it. Plus, and here's a side note, your clients will actually be way more impressed by your operations because you're collecting online payments. Like a potential customer that is thinking about doing business with your company, you give off a great first impression when you do everything using technology and a great system. It really impresses that potential customer because it shows that you're organized and that you have it all together in your business, and that you are really working to make their lives easier. So people really appreciate that. And then reason number 3, you get your time back. Guys, time is money. It's the biggest commodity we have. It's the most important thing that we have as a human being. It's time. And you don't want to be spending your valuable time, your valuable work time, going through checks and counting money that you receive from clients when you could be focusing on your business and growing your business. Because the truth is, counting money and counting checks and going to the bank to deposit those checks or cash those checks, and then having to keep doing that same routine every week, every day, it's just taking up your valuable time. And it's taking away your attention from you growing your business, and it's putting your attention on something that can be easily automated with online payments. And with our business, when we go collect payments on Jobber, the platform that we use, it's just a click of a button. We send the invoices to people that need to pay, or we collect credit cards, or we can just go and click and collect payment from our clients automatically through the dashboard. And something that would take hours automatically takes now minutes, and it gives me a lot more time to focus on my business and working on what I need to work on in order to grow my business. And that's super important. When it comes to me and my business, I'm always thinking about efficiency. What can I do, or what can I implement into my business? What can I integrate into my business that would give me more time to focus on the growth of my business? Because I don't want to spend time doing things that can be automated or taken care of by software or technology in a few minutes. Why would I spend hours on it? So I'm looking for ways to make my life easier, make my business more efficient, and give me my time back so I can focus on the things that matter. So just to recap, the 3 reasons why you should be collecting online payments over cash and check payments. 1, it's more organized and easier for you to keep track of. 2, your clients will love you. And 3, you save so much time and you get to focus on the things that matter. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one.